Which epoxy for cast iron is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, JB Weld Steel Stick. First up is the JB Weld 8267 Steel Stick. This two-part epoxy putty stick caught my attention with its impressive reputation and budget-friendly price of just $5.70. If you want a quick and reliable fix for your cast iron, this is worth a serious look. It sets in just 5 minutes and fully cures in 60 minutes, so you won't be waiting around long. Plus, it's certified safe for contact with potable water, which is great if you're using it on cookware. With a lap shear strength of 900 psi, it's strong enough to tackle your toughest repairs. It has a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 17,400 reviews, and over 7,000 were bought just last month. Now some people complained about the color being a bit off as it cures to a dark gray. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for functional repairs, the color is unlikely to be a deal breaker. It's all about getting that strong bond and reliability. This is perfect for you if you need a quick fix for your cast iron pans or any other metal repairs. Skip this one if you're looking for something to do more elaborate restoration work. For the price, it's a fantastic option. Now, if steel stick's color bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, JB Weld Steel Stick 2-pack. Next up is the JB Weld Steel Stick 2-pack for $12.49. What caught my attention here is the convenience of having 2 sticks on hand, especially for those bigger repair jobs. If you want flexibility along with reliability, you should really consider this one. This product has the same fantastic features as the first steel stick, with the added bonus of a 4,000 psi tensile strength. That means it's even stronger than the single pack option. It still cures in an hour and is just as easy to work with, making it great for quick repairs or even DIY projects. It's also NSF certified for potable water contact, which gives you peace of mind when using it in cookware. With the same stellar reviews as the previous product, you're looking at a solid investment. Now some people mentioned that they found the mixing process a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, with a little practice, it becomes second nature and the results are worth it. The bond strength makes it a reliable choice for almost any metal repair. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself tackling multiple repairs or projects. Skip this one if you only need a small amount for a minor fix. At this price point, you're definitely getting good value for your money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need something quick and easy. Product number 3, Gorilla 2-part epoxy pack of 2. Coming in at number 3 is the Gorilla 2-part epoxy, priced at $11.94. This product really caught my eye because of its quick 5-minute set time. If you want something that gives you a fast solution without sacrificing quality, this is definitely worth checking out. The Gorilla Epoxy dries clear, which is perfect if you're looking for a clean finish. It's compatible with a range of materials, including metals and ceramics, making it versatile for all kinds of repairs. The 24-hour full cure time means it's strong enough for heavy-duty applications, and its gap-filling properties allow you to bond uneven surfaces easily. With a rating of 4.5 stars from over 20,800 reviews, it's clearly making a name for itself. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit hard to manage due to its quick setting time. Here's the thing though, as long as you prepare and plan your application, it shouldn't be a problem. The quick set time is a major advantage for those who need to get things fixed fast. This is perfect for you if speed is your priority when it comes to repairs. Skip this one if you want a longer working time for more detailed projects. For the price, it's a solid buy for quick fixes. Now, if the quick setting time is what you're after, the next product might just take that convenience a step further. Product number 4, Gorilla 2-part epoxy single pack. The fourth product is another Gorilla 2-part epoxy, but this one comes in a single pack and is priced at just $5.97. This caught my attention for its affordability while still maintaining great quality. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance, this is definitely worth a look. It's ideal for various materials, making it versatile for different repair jobs. The 24-hour full cure time ensures a strong bond, and its water-resistant property makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. With the same solid 4.5-star rating from 20,800 reviews, it's hard to overlook this option. However, some users reported that the syringe can be a bit messy during application. The strong bond it provides makes it worth any minor application issues. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable yet budget-friendly epoxy option. Skip this one if you need to tackle larger projects that require more material. For the price, you're getting great value and reliability. Now, if you're looking for something that can really handle the heat, let's move on to the next product. Product number 5, JB Weld Original Syringe. Last but not least is the JB Weld Original Steel Reinforced Epoxy Syringe, priced at $11.14. This caught my eye because it's known for its high strength and durability. If you want something that can withstand extreme temperatures, this is definitely a solid choice. With a tensile strength of 50-20 psi, this epoxy is designed to provide lasting repairs. It sets in 4-6 hours and achieves full cure in 15 hours, which is a bit longer than some other options but allows for a super strong bond. It's great for various applications like automotive and plumbing, making it incredibly useful. The 4.7-star rating with 1,900 reviews tells you it's a trusted product among users. Now, some users found the longer wait time for full cure to be inconvenient. Here's the thing, though, the strength you get from this epoxy is unmatched, so if you can wait a bit longer, it's totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you require a truly strong bond for heavy-duty repairs. Skip this one if you need something that sets and cures quickly. For the performance it offers, the value is exceptional. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 fantastic epoxy options for cast iron. JB Weld Steel Stick, the 2-pack version, Gorilla 2-part epoxy in both double and single packs, and finally JB Weld Original Syringe. Each option has its strengths, whether it's speed, strength, or value. Choose the one that best fits your specific needs.